Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to learn addition and subtraction by using big friends formula. Plus 5 is equal to minus 5 plus 10 plus 50 is equal to minus 50 plus 100. Okay, before going into the video, please subscribe my channel so that you will be getting more updates about the subject. The subject will be very easy to understand. Okay, let us start. First one. 35 plus 55 minus 20 plus 52. 35 plus 55. So in the tens place rod 50 bead is available, so I have added, but in the ones place rod 5 is already added. So what I should do, I should take plus 5 big friends formula. What is that? Minus 5 add 10. Next minus 20. Next plus 52. So already it is added in the tens place rod. So what I should do, I should take plus 50 big friends formula, minus 50 add 100. Next 2 directly in the ones place rod. So what is the answer? 122. Clear the scale. Second one, 72 plus 51 minus 22 plus 25. 72 plus 51 means already in the tens place rod 50 bead is added. So what I should do, I should take plus 50 big friends formula, minus 50 add 100, 1 as it is in the ones place rod. Next minus 22. Next add 25. What is the answer? 126. Clear the scale. 56 plus 25 minus 21 plus 33. 56 plus 25 minus 5 add 10. Because the 5 is not already added, that's why I have taken the plus 5 formula, difference formula. Next minus 21. Next plus 33. What is the answer? 93. Clear the scale. 82 minus 21 plus 55 minus 10. 82 minus 21 plus 55 means already 50 is added. So what I should do, I should take plus 50 big friends formula, minus 50 add 100, 5 it's available, so I have added directly. Next minus 10. What is the answer? 106. Clear the scale. Next 31 minus 20 plus 72 plus 51. 31 minus 20 plus 72 plus 51. So here already 50 is added. So what I should do, I should take plus 50 big friends formula, minus 50 add 100, add 1 directly. What is the answer now? 134. Clear the scale. 52 plus 31 minus 32 plus 53. 52 plus 31 minus 32 plus 53. So already 50 is added in the tens place rod, so I have to take plus 50 formula, minus 50 add 100, 3 directly, 104. Next, clear the scale. 73 minus 61 plus 25 plus 55. 73 minus 61 plus 25 plus 55. 55. Already it is added in the ones place rod. So what I should do, I should take plus 5 big friends formula, minus 5 add 10. What is the answer now? 92. 13 plus 25 minus 11 plus 15. 13 plus 25 minus 11 plus 15. As I have added already 5 in the ones place rod, I should take plus 5 is equal to minus 5 add 10. Now what is the answer? 92. Sorry, 42. Clear the scale. 53 plus 51 plus 25 minus 14. 53 plus 51 means already 50 is added. So what I should do? Plus 50 is equal to minus 50, add 100. Big friends formula. 1 in the ones place dot directly. Plus 25 minus 14. What is the answer? 115. Got it, friends? Yes, done with the sums. And the next video we are going to learn plus 6 big friends formula. Plus 6 and plus 60 big friends formula sums. Okay? Okay, friends. Bye. Take care.